Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about a token which is completely different. It has its own app. In this you can listen songs, play and earn. Stack and earn daily map tokens by stacking. For more information, watch this complete video. Friends, the name of the system about which I am going to talk to you today is Melo Ads. It is built on Binance Smart Chain, means Pancake Swap Exchange. This is the first crypto rewarding streaming application. You can see the company's certificate of incorporation on your screen. The company is registered in British Virginia Island. The CEO of our company is Mohammed. In education, he has done bachelor's degree in international trade from Stockholm School of Economics. He is an internationally recognized singer, songwriter and producer, investor in blockchain and crypto since 2012. He has many other achievements like 2 Grammy Awards winner, 4 BMI Awards and 2 Billboard #1 awards. There are impressive statistics like over 5 million songs have been sold. There are over 4 billion views on YouTube. There are over 1 billion streams on Insta. There are millions of followers on social media. Collaboration, he has worked with Pitbull, Akon, Quincy Jones, Nicole Scherzinger. Friends, you can see its complete token map on your screen. If we talk about token metric, its total quantity is 100 CR. Of this, 50% goes towards royalty stacking, 15% is distributed among the team, and 35% in pre-sale. Now let's talk about the uses of MAP token. You get stacking income up to 20% monthly. This is daily credit. MAP reward is available on Melo Ads app. You can also use token map as an investment. It is soon going to be used as currency all over the world. This can be exchanged on Pancake Swap. Launch of the Melo Ads application with major players in the music industry: Universal, Warner, Sony, other independent distributors. Our features is crypto decentralizer, public blockchain, means BSC, music application 2.0, audit mode regularly, bonuses and promotions, fast customer support, compensation plan, stacking, rewards every day. Friends, let's see how it works. First of all, you have to log into meloads.io to receive MAP reward every second. To take advantage when the price of token increases, token have to be bugged and stacked for 12 months. You will get up to 20% monthly. Convert your MAP to USDT instantly by investing 50 USDT to 50,000 USDT and stacking from 365 days. And the earning limit increases 4 times. At this moment, MAP token price only is 10 cents. Friends, now let's talk about its affiliate program. First of all, let's talk about level income. This gives you 20% at level 1st, 20% of 5 active direct team volume, 10,000 at level 2, and 30% of 10 active direct business team volume, 30,000 at level 3. To open level 2 and 3, the user will have to fill the business requirements completely. That too within 60 days of registration. Now let's talk about team bonus. To explain this, I have put a chart on your screen. There are 7 ranks in this. You can see your investment amount and volume on the left side. One condition: in every rank is availability of at least 2 A and B teams. In this, 15% bonus is available on rank 1, 20% on rank 2, 30% on rank 3, 40% on rank 4, 40% on rank 4, 50% on rank 5, 60% on rank 6, and 70% on rank 7. Friends, now let's talk about the same rank bonus. When your affiliates achieve the same rank as you get 10% of their team income. Now let's talk about career bonus. You will get 3% of your rank as cash reward. Rank 1 gets $600. Rank 2 gets $1,800. Rank 3 gets $3,750. Rank 4 gets $7,500. Rank 5 gets $30,000. Rank 6 gets $90,000. And rank 7 gets $210,000. Now let's talk about global pool. 4% of the company's monthly revenue is distributed to all achievers at rank 5 and above, like 0.5% at rank 5, 1% at rank 6, and 2.5% at rank 7. So friends, this is a very good concept. Earn money by joining it immediately. Build a big team and earn money from every person who is listening to this app. Play and earn.